y'all, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'm talking about how to start a manifestation journal. Let me just say, y'all, me creating a manifestation journal, I think has truly changed my life. So if you're interested in how to start your own manifestation journal, keep watching. To start a manifestation journal, of course, you need to get a journal. This is one of my journals that I have. This is my manifestation journal right here that I use. This is my regular journal, but I think it should have been my manifestation journal because of what it says on the top of it. I would recommend having a quote or affirmation or something on the cover of your manifestation journal to just give off positive, good vibes before you even start writing in it. And this journal says, "You are beautiful, smart, amazing, worthy, believe it." Y'all, you need something like this on the cover of your manifestation journal. It's okay if you don't, but I recommend it. For my regular manifestation journal, it doesn't have anything on the top of it at all. It was just a journal I had that I decided to use for manifesting, and it works. So just find something that works for you. So a manifestation journal is where you will write positive thoughts and ideas relating to your goals and dreams. This is the place you are going to go to feel positive, to get inspiration, to just feel overall good and motivated. You are like a magnet. You can attract positive energy and success to you with your thoughts and your feelings. And this manifestation journal that you create will be the central place of all of that. This is your place with all good vibes, all good energy. This is what you're attracting into the world, into the universe. For my manifestation journal, I want to share with you all the first page because I believe that you should start off your manifestation journal with just good vibes and good energy. This is my manifestation journal, and on the first page, I wrote, "This will be my manifestation journal. I am in control of my life. I will manifest all of my goals and dreams. I am powerful." I recommend writing something like that on the first page because you are setting your intention for this journal. This journal is for nothing else but manifestations. That's all you're going to put in here. All stress and negativity, you put that in your regular journal. This journal is for manifestation purposes only. You are attracting good. You are letting out good. It's just happiness here. This is that place for that. So now that you have your manifestation journal all set up, ready to go, looks nice, you wrote your first page of intention, of the purpose of this journal, what do you write in your manifestation journal? Well, one thing you can write is scripting, which I talked about a lot in other videos, so go check that out. But there are other things you can write in your manifestation journal as well that's not just scripting. Scriptings, affirmations. What are you grateful for? Who do you want to be? What do you want to achieve? The 3-3-3 method or the 5-5-5 method, where you're consistently writing out what you want multiple times in a journal. One thing that I do is the 1-1-1 method. I don't even think that's a method. Maybe I created that on my own. I don't know. But I didn't want to write out affirmations or what I wanted for 33 times for 3 days, which is the 3-3-3 method, or 55 times for 5 days, which is the 5-5-5 method. I'm just like, I'm going to shorten it. I'm going to just do the 1-1-1 method. So what I do is write out what it is that I want or affirmation for 11 times in 1 day. Another thing that you could possibly write is just, how do you want your day to go? How do you want your week to go? How do you want your month to go? How do you want your year to go? You can write that out in your manifestation journal. It is a place of just positivity, good vibes, and just attracting good things into your life, and it is not limited to scripting for your manifestation journal. You can also Google some prompts. What are some things you could possibly write in your manifestation journal if you aren't sure what to write and you're hitting writer's block or something? But of course, this is your journal. This is your manifestation journal. Write what you want, write what you feel. Having a manifestation journal helps keep you aligned and keep your vibrations high. Your manifestation journal will help with abundance because you are focusing on the good and the great and you are also attracting the good and the great in your life. Writing in your manifestation journal is a good habit to have. I'm not as consistent as I would like to be, but at the same time, I don't think you should put pressure on yourself. Do what you feel, do it how often you want to do it. When it comes to my manifestation journal, when I first started it, I was consistent because I had things to manifest. So I was consistent, and then I kind of fell off to every now and then. And then now it's just when I feel like it. If it's been a while since I touched my manifestation journal, I'm just like, I need to manifest something, or I need to have some good energy, or maybe I should write something. And I end up writing something. And sometimes I don't want to write something, and I'll just do like a couple of sentences just to have some good energy out there. So it's whatever you want, make it your own. And I would definitely recommend making it a daily habit. That's something I want to incorporate into my life by just writing in my manifestation journal every day. The best time to write in your manifestation journal is in the morning when you wake up. Make it a part of your morning routine, or before you go to sleep. So make it a part of your nighttime routine. And this helps before you go to sleep. If you write in your journal, you are programming your unconscious. You are about to go to sleep. And you guys know, whatever you think of before you go to sleep is usually in your thoughts or your dreams. And I've definitely had experience with that, where I thought of just negative things or things I didn't want to dream about, and I didn't think about the connection it had between what you think of before you go to sleep and your thoughts when you're sleeping. So why not replace that with positivity and good things and your dreams and your goals? Why not have that good energy before you go to sleep? So if you write in your manifestation journal right before you go to sleep, that is good, because your thoughts are just going to think all of that good stuff that you are manifesting. You want that in your thoughts and dreams while you're sleeping. If you write in your manifestation journal in the morning, it will help prepare you for a successful day ahead and help motivate it, help get your day started, and just let you know why you're doing what you're doing and why you're up for that day, why you're working towards what you're working towards. So it is a great way to start your day off. I personally prefer to write at night. I feel more relaxed and I can reflect on things, and I'm preparing for the next day. One tip I have is, if you are feeling down or you're having a bad day, pick up your manifestation journal and just read through a few pages, or just feel the energy coming from that journal. It's all positive, and you're literally gonna be like, wow, that was amazing. Like, after you read through a few of them, I've experienced this, and I'm just like, oh my gosh, this life that I've created, or this person that I've created in this journal, is amazing. Like, I'm going to achieve all of these things. I'm going to be this person, and I'm so excited for it and happy for it. So that's my tip, y'all. It works. Or even if you're not even feeling sad, even if you're just feeling regular, just pick it up, read it. You will be inspired. You will be like, wow, check me out. Go ahead, girl. Go ahead. Now that I have a manifestation journal, I honestly don't see myself ever stopping. I think I should have started this sooner in life, but now that I'm here, I'm so grateful that I found out about this and I'm incorporating it into my life. I really enjoy making this video for you all, and I hope you got something out of it. And just remember that manifesting, this is nothing new. You've done this since you've gotten out of the womb. Like, you've been manifesting without even knowing it. And it's just believing in yourself, and it's just creating positive energy towards yourself and creating a life that you want and deserve. And you have the power. You just need to see it. You just need to practice it. You just need to believe it. Well, that's the end of this video about how to start a manifestation journal, and I'm just telling y'all that this will change your life. It will change your thought process. Also, check out my other manifestation videos if you haven't already. It all ties well together with this video, so I definitely recommend it. And if you enjoyed this video and you found value from it, hit the like button. If you're unsubscribed already, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video. I don't know about y'all, but we are speaking things into existence. We are manifesting things. We are reaching our goals and dreams. We are becoming better versions of ourselves. Like, what? That self-doubt, that low self-esteem, we are getting rid of that. No more. We aren't holding ourselves back anymore. Like, no, that is done. That's over with. Focus on feeling it and believing it and achieving it, and it will be yours.